So in this video, let us see the program to print prime factors of a number. So which is extension to the prime and factors model. So before going to watch this video, first of all, gone through the prime number program video, and next of all, so you have perfect number. In that perfect number, I explained factors program. So it is better to watch those videos to understood this one easily. So here some input were taken, so that is 12. So what are the factors for 12 here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12, right? Okay. Among these factors, so what are the prime factors here? Okay. One is not prime number, so 2 and 3 are prime, and 4, 6 are not prime here. Okay. So means 2 and 3, these two are prime factors. Okay. I hope so you understood. The same thing we should print onto the output screen. Okay. So the thing is already observed the factors program. Okay. So we should check each and every number is divisible with the given number or not. If it is divisible, so that particular value is factor, right? Okay. After getting the factor, we should check whether it's a prime number or not. That's it. Okay. So you observed the prime number program also, okay? We observed the optimal solution for that one, okay? So in the prime number program video, so gone through that. So that's it. It's a combination of factors and prime number. That's it. Once after getting the factor, we should check whether it's a prime number or not. So just variables wise it changes, okay? So the both two programs we need to merge here, mix. That's it. So let us quickly implement the solution because already you have knowledge on the factors and prime number program. Okay. So let us implement this one. Have a look. So first of all, we need to collect some input value from the user. Next, we need to generate the values from 2 to n here. Okay. One is obviously it's not prime, right? Okay. So that's why we need to generate numbers up to the n here. Okay. And so after this, what we need to do, we should check each and every variable, each and every value is divisible with the given number or not. Okay. If it is divisible, okay, so then I variable value is factor for n variable, right? Now we should check whether this I variable value is I variable factor is prime or not. Okay, so I hope so you understood now. If it is divisible, okay, so then we should check whether I is prime or not. Now the thing is, we should take the prime number program now. In prime number program, so we generate values from 2 to square root of that value, right? Okay, so now for what we should apply? So square root means here for I variable value only we should check whether it's prime or not, right? Okay. So for I variable, we should run up to the square root number of times, okay? And later on, we should check. So if I variable value on dividing with the j variable values, okay, if we get a remainder 0, so then it's not a prime number, right? Prime factor. I modulus division of j, if it is double is equals to 0, okay? So it's not required to run this, okay? You can stop there itself. So they're actually in prime number program. So we go for printing not prime and we stop the loop, okay? But here those type of messages are not required, right? If it is, if particular factor is not prime, dividing with any one of the value in between 2 to square root values, okay? If it is divisible, yes, we stop there itself. But suppose if loop ended on reaching to the stop value, okay? In that scenario, control comes outside of for loop of j, right? So now here we need to print that I variable value onto the output screen because it is prime factor, okay? So simple. This is factors program. Once after getting the factor, should check whether that factor is prime or not. Okay, we are checking with generating all values from 2 to square root values. Okay, we are checking whether it's divisible or not. If it is divisible, yes, we'll stop the loop in the intermediate stage itself. In that scenario, else block won't works. For suppose if I variable value gone through all the values in between 2 to square root values. Okay, if a condition not becomes true anywhere else, it won't stop the intermediate stage itself, right? It reaches to the stop value. In that scenario, control comes to the else block and prints that factor onto the output screen. Okay, so this is programmed to print prime factors of a number. Let us take 12. So you can check now. It's printing, so the 23, let us take 25 only, so the 5 is prime factor, okay? Now let us take 100, it's 2 and 5. Okay, check with different values here, okay? So that's it. If you watch prime number and factors program videos before to this, so you can easily understood this. That's it, okay? So I hope so each and everyone understood this one. So let us meet in the next video, okay? Thank you everyone.